Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Zaaty Husna and I'm with my other group members which is Nur Shahidatul Shaziyah, Irdhina Humaira and Nur Rihadhatul Aisy. So today we want to present the network simulation for our group project ITT300. Now, let's jump to the introduction.
For introduction, this project is about designing and simulating a network for two connected LANs using Cisco Packet Tracer. We will create a detailed network diagram with routers, switches, and devices focusing on making the network scalable, reliable, secure, and cost-effective. In the simulation, we will configure IP addresses, establish connections, and ensure security by isolating the networks. We will provide a network diagram, the packet tracer file, and detailed documentation of the configuration and testing to ensure the network is strong and can grow easily. What is star topology? Star topology is the most commonly used network topology shaped like a star. It is a type of network configuration where each device is individually connected to a central hub. For example, if a device needs to send data to another device, it first sends the data to the hub. The hub then relays the data to all connected devices. Each device checks if the destination address is correct. If the address matches, the data is accepted, otherwise it is discarded.
Next, what are the characteristics of star topology? Some of them are star topology is easy to install, making it suitable for any sizes. Then, star topology also requires more cabling than bus topology, since each device needs to connect to the central hub. Following that, this topology supports network expansion without any disruption. It also has an enhanced data security because it reduces data collision. Lastly, star topology is resilient and stable compared to other topologies.
I will be presenting about application of star topology network. With star topology network, we can apply them at home for telecommunication or surveillance system, and lastly in wireless network. At home, star topology will apply with router as central node and connect all devices in the house. Secondly, for telecommunication, it works with central office distribute signal to multiple users. For example, like internet service provider network. It also same goes to surveillance system with cameras connected to a server for centralized management. And lastly, star topology also can be applied in wireless network when wireless access point web work as central node and connected with other devices.
Now, what is star topology advantages? The first one is reliability. Star topology has a high rate of reliability. For example, if one cable or device fails, only that specific node is affected and not the entire network. This topology is also network reliable, where the only way to disrupt the network at once is to compromise the central hub. It is proven to be a safe and robust network, as well as suitable for businesses of all sizes. As mentioned before, it also has less risk of data collisions. Following that, star topology advantages includes high scalability. The process of adding a new device in star topology is simple and efficient compared to other topologies. The central hub allows easy maintenance and replacement of malfunctioning units without disrupting the whole network. Thus, the performance remains mostly stable. Therefore, star topology is ideal when it comes to businesses that plans for future expansions.
Other than reliability and scalability, there are two more advantages for using star topology, such as cost and security. With star topology, which is centralized control and monitoring, we can easily detect and respond to the threats. It also isolating the compromised device so it will not affect other devices, and it will reduce the risk of data interception. In other words, it will be providing protection to the entire network. Lastly, advantages for star topology will be the cost. Back then, wires and cable are more expensive than now because of the hub and the centralized cable. Even though it's still a bit costly, the stability of the star topology reduces the long-term cost when the business can grow without needing to overhaul the entire system.
Next, I will proceed to network simulation using packet tracer. Our network design will have two networks, which is LAN 1 and LAN 2. These two networks will be connected by using router. The device in the LAN 1 consists of 5 PCs. We already set up the IP address for each devices, and the default gateway for this LAN is 192.198.1.1. Next, the devices for the LAN 2. It consists of two laptops and one printer. It is same like the LAN 1. We already set up the IP address for each devices, but the default gateway for this LAN is 192.198.2.1. So now, let's proceed to the simulation. First, I will try to send a message to the same network. I will send from PC3 to PC2. And the status is successful. Next, I will try send a message from LAN 1 to LAN 2. In the LAN 1, I will send from PC 1 to the LAN 2, which is to laptop 0. And you can see the status is also successful.
This project shows how we designed and simulated a dual LAN network using Cisco Packet Tracer, focusing on a star topology. We chose the star topology because it is reliable, easy to maintain, and can grow easily. Each device is connected directly to a switch. We configured routing, assigned IP addresses, and tested the network to ensure both LANs communicate well. In conclusion, the star topology makes network management easier and improves security by allowing simple monitoring. The design allows for easy expansion and the addition of new features, making the network ready for future growth and new technologies.